My name is Ishani, I'm an artist, and as you can tell, English is not my first language, so please bear with me. Today I want to show you how I cleaned up a messy corner that I had in my studio, and we all have those, right? Like physical and no physical messes. So let's talk about both, while I build this cute green card that I bought at Michael's. It's a small one. I needed the small one because it was for my acrylic paintings and I don't use those too much. It's green as the pines in my tiny town, and it comes with instructions. Wouldn't you have liked that when you arrive on this planet, you have also given a manual with instructions? Like lesson 1, how to be a human. How to deal with big emotions. How to love yourself unconditionally. How to accept, flow, and let go. Practical exercise on how to understand relationships. Family, friends, partners. How to find your purpose and your favorite beverage early in life. I did take that lesson. I discovered coffee was my favorite when I was 2. Okay, esto. Fully tighten. For the emotion lesson, I've been using abstract art lately.
¿Cuáles pusiste?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pero me queda este. I can say I'm a figurative artist. I find it grounding and I love to see people and paint portraits. Don't get me wrong, I love abstract art too. But I have a very abstract mind, so I feel figurative art grounds me and creates a balance in my life. Aunque esto lo confunde todo.
¿Qué es esto?
Que haya un tornillo de más. I live somewhere between abstraction and this objective world. So lately, my life has been a little different. And I have found comfort in abstract journaling. These are some of the pages of my journal. Nothing fancy, but loaded with insights that I can't put into words. How do you feel about abstract art? How do you feel about life these days? Is the world a little strange or is just me? How about you? How are you? Share with me in the comments, if you like, of course. I ended with an extra screw. I know. You're not supposed to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pero me queda este. But everything else was complete. So I took it as a sign. That little screw means that I have a backup. That we all have it. We just need to ask for help. And that's brave. Brave people ask for help. So this little Michael's green card showed me a lot.
Aunque esto
lo confunde todo.
¿Qué es esto?
Que haya un tornillo de más.
Like sometimes you do have an instruction manual, but also sometimes even though you follow as it's supposed to be, you end with an extra screw. But an extra screw can mean a backup. Something bigger that supports you and your highest desires. Little green card also showed me how easy it is to ask for help and actually get it. And I got a little tool in the back. I promise it's real, not a Barbie tool. And it reminded me of the strength that abides in all of us. Shiny, beautiful, loving strength. That is an inside journey, and I wish you the best of it. So big thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked it. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos or art story time videos or tutorials, everything you like. Love and sparkles! Okay, bye.